Yo, what's up Trident family? Today we're going to be working on the ST today. I bought Eric a mod for the interior and I hope he really likes it. He's going to be swinging by right about 10 minutes-ish. So I'm going to get the mod laid out on the table so I can show him what I got him. And we're going to get to the video. He's finally here. And when did you install an exhaust? And this car is small in the garage.
He's like, don't call my little car small.
What's up though?
I was like, hey.
When did you install an exhaust, bro?
I think I'm a month in actually.
You're a month in?
Yeah, I'm a month in at to exhaust ownership finally.
Tell us what you did.
So I ended up installing a catless downpipe, and then it's connected to a AWE track exhaust catback all the way back, so I'm pretty much 3 inches from my cats, and yeah, so catless downpipe and a catback, and I
see some peeking right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Oh,
yeah,
it shows a little bit. Shows a little bit. Little peeking.
Come here, MTV Cribs. Come here, MTV Cribs. So we got a little Cobb access port. You know, like every ST owner, we got our Cobb access port. And since I am catless and also have a catback, it is also time for a tune, which will be coming very soon. Tune coming soon. Because I am running very fucking rich. My fucking air to fuel ratio is kind of booty, and I'm running like, my gas is flying by like a motherfucker. So definitely need to tune for her.
Get a Prius.
Shit, bro. Like, I'm about to, dude. Bro, gas prices nowadays, fucking the way it's.
You're paying premium too, cause
yeah, like I'm about to start fucking walking places. Everybody, like, gas prices aren't that nice.
Yeah, listen, guys, listen. I don't know if I told you guys, but I got me a daily.
Yeah.
That little Civic right there.
My man Carlos is doing good in life, man. Everyone be like Carlos and go get a fucking little daily like this.
I got a little daily. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's okay. One thing I don't like about this car is these wheels. I have no idea what the previous owner put on these, but I don't like them.
TEs, boy.
TEs?
Yeah, it's some fake TEs.
Fake TEs. It is manual. I don't know if I should show you guys that. Yep. Got my man card right here. It is manual.
Got my man card.
But it's okay. Just get me a point A to point B until we figure out what we're gonna do with this. I got a video coming out for this car. I'll tell you guys later. But let's get back to the video. I got your mod right on the table.
I'm excited. Ooh.
And it comes with a little remote keychain. Yeah, little remote keychain.
Remote? This looks nice. I don't even know like what the fuck this is. Ooh.
So it goes to music. It has 16 million color changes. So yeah, if you ever rap the ST one day.
What you got, my boy Roy G. Biv?
I actually found this on one of Evan Shank's videos.
Oh really?
When he did the Miata for his sister.
That's
yeah.
fucking dope. Oh, it's got an app.
Yeah, I got the app. I got everything.
Damn. All right, unboxing video. Here we go, guys. Let's see. Quick unboxing.
Imagine it's not in the box.
It's fake, bro. It's been sitting in your room for a year and there's like nothing in there. Okay.
Got the 3M. Hopefully 3M
yeah,
adhesive's still good.
bro.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because my 3Ms go bad. Okay, little cigarette thingy.
Yeah. If you want later in the future, if you're good with wires, splice it and hook it up to a fuse. No.
Like that just sounds hard, bro. Okay, so this has to go connected somewhere. I guess there's a little control module too. Okay, well, let's get the car prepped and then let's get ready for install. This looks fun.
Sir.
Oh, this looks fun.
Clean interior, dog.
Hell yeah. Little prep.
Yeah, so right now we're just vacuuming the car. This interior is really clean though. I like the black headliner. I might give me a little ST. Ooh, just kidding. Got your hope up.
Don't move on me like that. Alrighty guys, so right now we're just trying to figure out exactly how we're gonna route this and kind of like how we're gonna sneak it through my car to make it look good, because you don't really exactly want 20 wires sticking out of your car while you're driving. So from the looks of it right now, what we're trying to do is stick that right a little bit underneath that. I don't know if you guys can really see.
Hold on, I'll get the flashlight real quick.
Yeah, we're looking a little blind. But so far we have it hooked up to here, the cigarette lighter, and then we're probably gonna run it from there, here, and then
we're gonna hide the wires under some of the trim.
So this is what it's looking like for the first spot.
It's right here.
Yeah,
right under there.
A little bit above my pedals. So that's where we're gonna have the first one, and then hopefully we can run it through this trim piece over here by simply just literally picking that up a little bit, sneaking the wire in through there, and then we'll distribute it to the back, the front, etc., and have the rest going. So
we're gonna do one side first, and then we're gonna work on the other side. So once we get that first side done, we're gonna show you guys how we laid it out.
Yep, and then hopefully the fucking wires stay flush, so I don't have 20 wires going through my car, and it looks good. So show you guys that in a bit. Alrighty guys, so it's been about like 10-15 minutes, and after, you know, kind of going through some motions, finally figured it out. So don't know if you guys can see it very good with the lighting. I'll let it adjust, but this is what it looks like so far. This is my driver's side. And yeah, we were able to stick it to that top metal piece right there above your pedals. And then all I really did was just kind of run the wire behind that panel right there. Ran it all the way through that, all the way around. And then the center cigarette lighter is going there. And I also have the little like control module thing in there. I'll show you guys that later. The wires still need to be tucked and fixed and kind of 3M'd, all that shit. But for the most part, that's tucked in. That looks good. Driver's side. And this is what it looks behind my driver's side. Carlos was able to figure out a really good way to tuck it in the back, so that shit looks good. And this is what it looks like from a little bit further away. And quick shout out to us. Go follow us on Instagram. Make sure you guys go follow us at Trident FD.
Just hit the fucking tail.
God damn.
I hit the tail light.
Fuck the tail light. But yeah, so that's what it looks like so far. Looks pretty good. Everything's sitting like nice and tucked and flush, so you don't have wires going everywhere. And yeah, we're gonna go work on the other side and keep you guys posted. And also,
oh, you looking for my package?
yeah, Carlos just got a special delivery
from DoorDash.
Very odd. DoorDash is really upgrading their game, guys.
Oh, I got tape on. Alright.
Let's see what he's working
Got
with.
this special mod.
We got some grown-up mods going on, man.
Grown-up mods.
Adult mods.
Oh.
That's a lot of plastic.
That's a lot.
Holy
of plastic.
shit.
That's a waste of plastic.
What do we got
Save
here,
the
guys?
turtles. Don't use this much plastic.
What we got? Turbo manifold? No. We got. We got a plant, guys.
I got a bamboo plant.
We got a bamboo plant.
Yep.
That's actually pretty fucking nice, though.
It is, right?
Yeah, these
Got
are
it for my room.
Yes, sir. These are some grown-up mods, guys.
Grown-up mods. You know, I'm turning 21 soon. Gotta be a grown-up now.
You gotta grow up and you gotta get like some room decorations.
Yep.
Hell yeah, shit looks clean. Alrighty guys, so after finally about like 10-15 minutes of messing with it, we finally got it all set up. It's a little bit bright outside, but this is pretty much what it looks like.
I can turn the garage lights off.
Oh yeah, so now they're off. And this is what it looks like. Looks pretty fucking sick, I'm not gonna lie. The colors, everything is sitting nice and flush on the inside.
That's purple, right?
Yeah,
That's nice.
Yeah. Everything looks really fucking good, and from a distance, yeah, it looks really clean and sleek. And another cool thing about this is actually these are Bluetooth ones. So, if we go over here, go to my phone, right here we have the app. You pretty much go, and I have them right here set up. And from here I can go off and turn them off from my phone, or turn them back on. And then if I click on the lights, you get a whole bunch of different settings, and you can pretty much go through all your colors. And right here they have like different little candle type settings where you can do different stuff. So let me just show you guys some of the different settings. These are what the colors look like as I'm literally just scrolling through them on my phone.
There's like 16 million colors.
Yeah, guys, on the box it says there's like 16 million different colors.
You're not wrong.
Yeah, we just went through some of these, and I'm gonna let that focus.
Guys, they literally have colors of planets. I'm not.
Yeah, so this is the music link thing that you can link up to your music, so it looks so cool and shit. And
where's the planets?
oh yeah, I don't know where the planets were. The planets look super cool. Oh, hold on, it's in the wheel. Oh, here we go, guys. So boom, you get this. You get this. Yeah, this is like moods of different colors that you can switch it to. It's so fucking dope. Kind of weird though. It's like you have an aggravated mood. If you want to be aggravated, boom, it'll switch to that specific tone. Swipe over, we have another color wheel. And yeah, there's another section for Effects Lab where they have even more colors of stuff. And right here, if you go to stars, they have colors of like every single fucking planet. So that's like the sun, Earth, Mercury. You got Mercury. These are all like different tones of colors. Like this is a Mercury fucking, I guess, like olive green type of thing. Dope as shit. You got Mars red, you got Jupiter blue, whole bunch of different settings. So yeah, the Bluetooth thing works really cool. And I set it up with the music earlier too, and it works amazing. You can adjust your brightness and stuff. And yeah, you can pretty much do anything and everything you really want with it.
It's worth it.
Yeah, it's really convenient too. Honestly, like having the app on your phone is pretty cool. So yeah, fair warning to any new passengers, you might get epilepsy, but yeah.
Here's the name brand.
Yeah,
I'll put it guys in the description.
This is the brand of what it is. It will be linked in the description. Shout out to them though. They make really good quality products and pretty easy install. The stick is maybe 10-15 minutes tops. And yeah, it's pretty much what it looks like, guys. Now the ST is finally lit up on the inside, so you know, we can get active.
Carbon.
Yeah, guys, he's trying to get me on my carbon vibes, man.
I want carbon pillars, man.
Man, some VQ things, man. Some VQ things, you know?
Carbon pillars would look fire.
Yeah, now we might get some carbon little like details going soon. I was really hoping to actually get some carbon mirror caps and get sequential turn signals, because I'm not the biggest fan of having these, but you never know. Some small upgrades. I actually might do some carbon soon. Maybe the mirror caps, my pillars, and some other small things, but yeah, besides that, this is what the big girl ST looks like right now from the outside. Pretty much stock. There's nothing really aesthetically done to it besides now the interior lights.
Got the exhaust though, at least.
Oh yeah, but besides that, we got some bolt-ons. You know, we got front mount intercooler, downpipe, and a cat back.
You know the vibes.
And this is what big girl looks like from the front. And yeah, if you guys want in a little exhaust clip, I'll add one in at the end so you guys can hear it. And yeah, pretty much wraps up the video for today. Nice, short, and simple. Just getting done the LED lights. Personally, it came out really fucking dope. So shout out to Carlos. He actually got me those, I think like what, a year ago?
I got him like literally
a fucking year ago. And hey, a year later, we installed them finally. Surprisingly, the 3M tape worked fucking gloriously. So shout out to Lowe's, shout out to that company for making some good ass products. And anything else to say to them?
Nothing else. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yes, sir. See you guys in the next video. If you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow us down below on Instagram so you guys can stay posted on updates and anything new coming out with us. See you guys when we see you guys.
Yo, Ozzy, roll that shit.